How to do and where to find this viral Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So right now for this Instagram chain story you will have to go to my Instagram profile, which is Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, the second step is going to April 2024 at highlights. Here you will find a lot of Instagram chain stories and templates. Tap on that and tap until you find your desired sticker. So there we have it. Now click on the add yours button. And now you'll have to go to your uploads and choose a photo with little u. So for that, you will have to click on this button right here from the left bottom corner. I will go with this photo with Selena Gomez. So right now, once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends by clicking on this button right here from the left bottom corner. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can also comment in the comment section down below if you have any questions, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.